winner is Shirley Smith. And we have the phone number, so we'll give them a call. And we have two of the custom glasses as well. We'll draw those. That would be Debbie Reed. And we have her number as well.
And we have one last little drug among the participants, and it's a NASCAR jacket.